want to take a video for when I go back so I can be comfortable and look. What's your name?
Andrea.
And they also call you?
Papa.
Not Fat, Mutha. Muthalu.
No, my name is not Muthalu. I have so many nicknames.
This is my cousin Nikki. Pregnant mama drama. And this is the baby. Fat.
Her baby.
Fat.
Mom.
Don't hit me.
Mom. Some more. No.
Don't hit me.
Get some of it and bring it back in this house. You stop putting your butt in.
And this is Muthalu. Stop hitting Fat's butt.
Let's see you. Get it out the air.
Fat.
You got some light.
Fat. What's your name?
Yeah.
And what else they call you?
Papa.
That's Fat, as you can see. Game Boy. Game Boy. Look at me. What do they call her? Game Boy. Yes. Game Boy. What do they call Airy? I need to look at the camera. Look at the camera. What they call Airy? What they call Airy?
Call her stingy.
She can't be stingy. She said call her stingy.
Call her Mimi.
Mimi. What are y'all doing in this thing? What are y'all looking for? Fat. What are y'all looking for?
Nothing. I'm so surprised. We're leaving. No.
Be careful.
Okay, leave black coffee car.
What's your name?
Papa.
Not you. His name. No, what's your name?
Game Boy.
Game Boy. Game.
Game Boy.
Game Boy, what's your name?
Kenyon.
There we go. Bye, guys.
Can we see the picture?
Yep, it's not a picture, it's a
I
video.
need the video.
How do I look? Do I look okay?
Yeah. You can do it because you're...
I look so damn fat. Alright, signing off. Bye. This light is pretty bright. Woo! Bye, Fat.